Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way.
Hi, gorgeous girl. Are you looking for a fun, easy, and fast makeup look for this Halloween? Well, stick around and I'll show you how to do this. My name is Eddie, and welcome back or welcome to my channel, Fire Over 50. My usual videos are all things beauty, fashion, and fitness, especially for us ladies north of 50. The great thing about this look is not only is it super easy and fast, but it's super inexpensive. This cost me basically under $20. I'll have links for everything I used down below. Well, let's get started. I can't wait to show you how easy this is. So we'll get started using the Sugar Skull Makeup Kit from Walmart. And I'll be starting out with the white makeup and putting it all over my face. And I've totally washed my face, taken everything off of it. And I exfoliated my lips with, of course, a sugar scrub so I could put that white makeup on top and they wouldn't look all dry. I'm going to be applying the white makeup with this little sponge that came with the kit, and I am going to use it damp. So I'll be looking down in the mirror when I put this on. I'm just going to dab that on there. And you can see it doesn't go on super thick, but I would definitely recommend using a damp sponge versus dry. I'm going to work this into my eyebrows because we really don't want to see those. Oh, and you can, if you've got thick eyebrows, you can get a glue stick and put them on top first and just kind of rub it in. And the purple glue stick is the best to use for this. And I would just put some on before I let it dry, before putting the white makeup on. Let's work that into this eyebrow. And it's not going to totally disappear, but we'll just make it as least noticeable as possible. Because we'll be putting eyeshadow on anyway, so you don't have to get totally under your eyes. And depending on the look that you're trying to do, make sure you do your neck too. That's why I've got a turtleneck on, so I can kind of go all the way down. And I'm not going to really worry about my ears. Maybe just very in there, because I'm going to have my hair down when I'm finished. And my neck's going to not be totally white, but at least I won't have that harsh line around my face. All right, and I'm just going to even it out a little bit, and I'll be right back. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the Day of the Dead body jewelry from Party City. And I'm not going to be using everything on this kit, but we will start with the eyes. Just want to follow this picture right here if you want to, and I think I'm actually going to change it up a little bit. Instead of having the spider web on the chin, I think I'm going to put it on my head. So let's see what that's going to look like. But we'll start with this, and I will just put this, and again I'm going to be looking down at my mirror right under my eye. Yeah, it sticks really easy. Let's do the other one. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going back and forth on my between my left and my right side to try to get it as even as possible. Here. Let's go to the top. And this is going to go, let's see, I'm trying to not have my mirror show. I am actually going to put this on right on top of my eyebrows. Look down here and just go right on top of my eyebrow. Make sure I do it about the same spot. I think I have it. And I don't know about you, but the thought of drawing an outline around my eye with black just terrifies me. And I just know it looks so easy when you see the other girls doing it, but I know for me it's not going to be easy. So I was so happy when I saw this kit. And you know, I've seen tattoo kits too, but I've also seen that they don't really transfer that good on your face, especially the ones that go around your eyes, because, you know, you've got little nooks and crannies around your eyes. And so I thought, well, I'm going to try this. So I am going to put this, instead of on my chin, I'm going to put it upside down and put it on my forehead. Like that. Well, I really didn't want to put the flower like the picture shows on my nose. I don't think it's going to stick, for one thing, because it's kind of big. My nose is kind of small. So I am going to face my fears and try to draw the regular nose on there. So let's see how that goes. And you know, if you like totally messed up, you can always get a Q-tip with a little bit of makeup remover and just kind of wipe it. But mine is definitely not perfect or even close to it, but I think it's good enough. I'm just going to finish filling this in real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, fear of black liner and all. I don't think that looks too horrific. Let's do my mouth next. And I have this little lip color, and it's not a really deep, dark red, but it's kind of more of a burgundy-ish color. I'm just going to do the middle. On the top and bottom lip. Kind of exaggerate the cupid's bow a little bit. I'm gonna go past my bottom lip line a little bit as well. And then after that, I am going to get this black liner that came with the kit and just line. And then next, to blend it in, I'm just going to use this little brush here. And you know, it actually doesn't have a number. It just says medium eye shader, but you can see it's kind of a firmer brush, not too angled or anything. I'm just going to blend this in a little bit into the red, and kind of give it a shaded look. And just do a little more blending. And you can see the look we have right now. Okay, now let's just put the black lines down my lips here. And I am just going to use the black in this little makeup kit from Walmart. And it comes with a little tiny brush too. And I'm going to make it a little damp as well, because this makeup's kind of like not real soft. So let's see if this is going to work. And instead of drawing the lines in, I am just going to use the lines from the Body Jewelry kit. I can get this peeled off. And just trying to make this whole look as easy as possible. Let's do it the right way. The other side. Now, see, that was pretty easy. And next, I'm going to do my eyes. Finish up my eyes. First, I'm going to start with a black eyeshadow to go around the edges of my eyes. And this is from an old MAC palette I have. I think we're going to use this brush right here. And this is a, let's see if I have a number on this. Nope, of course I don't. You can see it's pretty thin. I'm just going to go above and kind of where my eyebrows are and around, and get in between on the bottom of the sticker. Just kind of blot that in. For once, I'm glad I don't have thick eyebrows, but only for once. And on the bottom, same thing. Just gonna follow it all around. Follow that sticker all around. Kind of blot it so I get in between the little sticker design there. And then last, I'm going to get a little bit of pink. And I know a lot of people use red, but since I've got pink stickers, I think I'd have a little bit too much going on. So let's get some pink eyeshadow and put it in there. And I am going to be using the pink from this palette from ColourPop, which is Blush Crush. I do love this palette, by the way. And I think we'll be using Made You Blush. And I am going to be using this brush right here from Farrah. By the way, I got this from Ipsy. This is a blender brush number 25EL. So we'll be using this Made You Blush, and I'm just going to be looking down again. And I'm going to start from my eyelid so I don't carry too much of the black all at once. I'm going to be doing my other eye as well. And I'm going to go all the way up to my lower lashes underneath. Kind of pack it in a little bit to get some good pigmentation going. You can see how pretty this blends in. Sweep it underneath a little bit. Again, I just want lots of pigmentation. And then what I'll do is I will get the black eyeshadow again and go around my eyes. And for that, I am going to be using a little Luxie angled brush, and this is number 215. Again, using this black from the MAC palette. And kind of just going along my lash line first. Sweeping it up. And you could use an eyeliner as well. I'm just going to be using this eyeshadow since I have it out. Make sure I get that swept up, and then the top. I'll be going all around my eyes here. And I've got lashes on, so I'm just going to be packing this in between my lashes as well so we don't have any light spots. And then I am going to actually get this brush that I use for my black eyeshadow, just kind of blend it in a little bit more. And I think I might even use a little more black. So you can see I have a little of the pink showing through underneath, which I think looks kind of good. And I think the last thing we will do is, usually you make the line up your cheek, but since these lines go quite far up my face, I think I'm just going to use the same shadow, another Luxie brush, and this is a medium angle shading brush, is number 207. And it's kind of fluffy and angled, you can see. And I am just going to extend this out and just blend it in on both sides of my face and kind of go into my hairline. And I think, actually, what do you think? I think I'm going to put some black eyeshadow, actually, right? Like following these lines. Just to get, again, a little more shadowing. Make it all look a little better. Don't you think it looks a little better? And not quite as just stuck on. I think makeup-wise, I am done. What do you think? So I will be right back. I'm going to put my hair down and I'll see you in a minute. I am back. And I also bought this Day of the Dead headdress at Party City. It was on sale for $9.99. I hope this video helped you if you were desperately looking for a fun, easy Halloween makeup look. And if this video was helpful to you and you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Happy Halloween! I hope you have a fun and safe day. Much love. Bye-bye.